Gener8, how to earn passive income every day with no effort. Everyone loves passive income. There's a wide range of different platforms and applications out there that pay you to do nothing. Passive income is always king. And now there's a new contender on the scene, Gener8. This app claims that you can turn your everyday data into passive income. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Gener8 believes your data has value and that it should be working for you to make some easy money. And I couldn't agree more. When Gener8 first launched, it was just a browser extension that tracked the ads you saw and paid you for it. It was even featured on a TV show in the UK called Dragon's Den as a brand new startup.
Hey Dragons, my name's Sam Jones. I'm the founder of Gener8 and I'm here today to ask for £60,000 in return for 10% equity.
But over the years, the platform has evolved massively and it's something you need to be using in 2025. If we do fast forward a few years, Gener8 now has a full application with multiple ways to earn a passive income from, whether that be data monetization or just looking into your shopping habits. There's so many ways to earn on this platform. I honestly feel like this is probably one of the best applications to earn a passive income from your phone. It's not to be missed. Let's break it down. Supercharge Safari. With 8.5 billion searches daily, it's time your searches earn something back. Supercharge Safari rewards you with Gener8 points just for browsing the internet on your mobile phone. All you need to do is install the Gener8 Safari extension to your Safari mobile browser on your device, then enable it in settings and give it permissions. That's it. Then you'll earn 50 Gener8 points instantly by installing it, and then up to 50 points every single day automatically whilst this extension runs in the background. It's fully passive as long as you stay active on your mobile browser, and the more you use Safari on your device, the more you will earn. Google Data. Make your data work for you with the Google Data sharing feature in Gener8. Gener8 lets you share your Google data for a steady passive income on the platform. All you need to do is connect your Google account to Gener8, and then you will earn 50 Gener8 points for just connecting your account to the platform, and then up to 30 additional Gener8 points every single day for just letting it run totally passively in the background. It's simple, set it up once and then allow it access to your Google data, then just leave it running in the background and you'll earn some easy points every single day.
Money is one thing, Mr. Banks, but data is power.
Receipt Radar. Turn your shopping habits into a passive income with Receipt Radar. Receipt Radar turns your email receipts into passive income. All you need to do is connect your Gmail or Outlook to the Gener8 app. Then Gener8 will scan your inbox every 24 hours for any supported e-receipts. Gener8 points are rewarded if it finds receipts from supported retailers, and even if it doesn't, you still earn points for just staying connected, so it's not to be missed. On Gener8, you'll earn up to 50 points for just connecting your email to the platform, and then 1 point per receipt from supported retailers. Desktop earning. There is also the Gener8 browser extension, which you can run on any Chrome-based browser on your laptop or desktop device. This extension actually blocks ads, trackers and cookies and actually gives you points for doing so. On average, you can expect to earn around 5 to 10 points per day by using this extension, but it comes with one big warning. This browser extension does interfere with other income streams like surveys and game offers, so make sure you do not install this Chrome extension if you do heavily rely on those ways to earn, like myself. Surveys. Gener8 has its own survey section, but it's not like surveys you would see on other providers like FreeCash or Prime Opinions. The surveys on Gener8 are exclusive to the Gener8 platform. The surveys on Gener8 are tailored around your data, which means you will never be disqualified from them, which is great. Most surveys on Gener8 pay between 25 and 50 points. They're advertised as 5-minute surveys, but usually take less than this. Just watch out, there are attention checks in these surveys, so make sure you stay focused so you do not lose your payout. I personally find these surveys are a solid, reliable source of points, especially if you're stacking the other passive ways to earn on the platform.
I don't know if I could take that kind of a rejection.
Mobile games. Finally, Gener8 also offers points through mobile games powered by 𝐓𝐢𝐬's Playtime Rewards. You do earn Gener8 points for playing these games, but the payouts are so slow, and in my opinion, I don't think they're really worth your time compared to the other features offered on Gener8. Cashing out. So here's where it gets a little bit tricky. You may be wondering, what are the value of Gener8 points? Well, it depends on which voucher you redeem, and the rates are inconsistent. You can get a £5 takeaway gift card for 300 points, which means £1 is 60 points. Or you can get a £3 Amazon voucher for 100 points, which means £1 is 33 points. Or you can get a Tesco meal deal worth £4 for 125 points, which means £1 is worth 31 points. It does get a little more crazy though. The vouchers on the platform are limited daily, so you often need to set an alarm to grab the best ones. The ones you need to prioritise are the Amazon and Tesco's vouchers, as they actually offer the best conversion rate. Luckily, I've actually cashed out twice from Gener8, but it's no easy feat, especially if you do work a 9 to 5 job. A lot of these vouchers become available during the day, and if you do work that standard 9 to 5, good luck, you're going to have to set that alarm. You can also cash out via auctions, but if you do that, it is all down to chance, so in my opinion, it's not worth doing that. Save up for the guaranteed return from the vouchers.
And it's sold to Mr. Wendellini for $15, folks.
Is Gener8 worth it? I'd say yes, Gener8 is worth using, especially if you're using it for its passive ways to earn. With features like Receipt Radar, Google Data and Supercharge Safari, you can rack up a decent amount of Gener8 points every day without any effort. I feel like the only downside with this platform is the voucher availability, but it's not too bad. The thing is, you can actually pair Gener8 with another platform known as MSR. On MSR, you can share data from a wide range of different sources which aren't featured on Gener8, such as your device screen time, your YouTube data, Facebook and many others. And because of that, you will actually earn more money on MSR. You'll probably end up earning $15 to $20 a month from just that platform alone. But then you can also run Gener8, which runs quietly in the background, to earn some more money. Imagine that, like you're actually selling your data for a profit, and it's little to no effort. To conclude, Gener8 is a low effort, mostly passive app that rewards you for everyday data. You're not going to make a life-changing amount of money from this, but you will be making a few points a day, and because of that you'll be able to cash out once or twice a month with ease. I've made this platform a part of my daily earning routine, and it's definitely worth using, so make sure you're not leaving these points on the table. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
It's a deal. Thank you very much.
Brilliant, well done. Really looking forward to working with you. An exquisite pitch. Excellent. Brilliant business.